Okay, so we are moving into science this week. Again, we finished up on social studies, so we are moving into science, and we are going to talk about force and motion. So first, we're going to learn a little bit about what force and motion are. We're going to talk about what gravity is, and then we might even do a little experiment. If you have stuff at home, we'll see what we can do. We'll make it work. So yesterday, I had you fill out this slide. It says force and motion. What I know about force and motion. So you're supposed to type here anything you knew about it, and then what you want to learn. So any questions you had. So I went through a little bit and saw your responses. And then over here, you're supposed to insert or motion, or you could have drawn one if you wanted. Whatever you wanted to do. We're going to be talking about what is a force, and then you're answering some questions about it. Is force around us. Forces are the pushes and pulls that affect an object's shape and movement. So every day we deal with force. We're always pushing open a door, pulling back our chair, pulling something down from the refrigerator. So everywhere or everything you're doing is usually there's a push or pull involved. When you think about that today, how many times you're dealing with force? It says a push moves something. One example of a push force: wind can fill a sail on a sailboat and push the boat through the water. Wind can also the sky. Wind can be extremely strong and cause damage to buildings. High winds occur in tornadoes or hurricanes. We know very well about hurricanes in this area. It will be hurricane season soon coming up. So those extreme winds, is a huge amount. For example, last hurricane season, I had some shingles fall off my roof. The siding on the side of my house blow away. So again, force can be very, or the wind can be very force huge. It looks like here's the sailboats they were talking about. Here's the kite they're talking about. And then this next slide talks about a pull. It says a pull moves something towards something else. Picking up an example of force. Objects need a force to move. Pushes and pulls make things move. And we don't just sit here and see a book go flying across the table. It needs a push. So objects and everything need force. Be on your turn to answer these questions. It says, what is a force? I'm not just telling you to make it up. Go back to the slide. It says forces are words. So then you're going to double click here, delete where it says text goes here, write your answers. What causes an object to move? I believe up here it tells me what makes things get sense. Write a caption for the visual above. What is this girl doing? Try and use push or pull in that caption. What is she doing? And 4, what's the difference between a push or pull to support your answer? So again, go back to these definitions. On slide 1, it tells you pushes. On slide 4, it tells you about what a pull is. So say a push is this, a pull is that. So you're answering these 4 questions on your own today.